back, guys. Welcome to Soybean Harvest 2023 Part 3. Enjoy! We got a lot of beans left to pick, and hopefully we can get as many as we can today. I'm going to unload this wagon right now. So yeah. So we're almost done with that section over there. We're moving this way, and we're just gonna keep picking while it's ripe out. Sun is out, beans are dry. We're gonna get them, but the field is starting to empty up, which is nice. But yeah, harvest 23. It's moving along a little slower than we want to, but you know we're getting there. We're getting there. Just getting excited for corn harvest. That's it. The row crop head has let us down again. So we did a bunch of work this morning. Had to fix one of the blade rotor thingies. Had to fix the thread on it, the threads on it. We had to fix some with the combine, and then all of a sudden we noticed the one outside row on the header kept plugging up. Just so happens she chewed up a bevel gear on the bottom. And I doubt we're going to be able to get a new one this soon because I had called Deere already. They didn't even have the parts I needed earlier to see if we could try and fix them. So that's why I had to improvise for that blade rotor. But yeah, I'm afraid that head's down. So we're going to go look at our options, and I'll be back with an update. Alright guys, it's later in the day. We're going to hook the head carrier up. We found a bean head we're going to rent. And it's from a very special person that he's been on the channel before, and you might recognize him. So stay tuned for the next clip and you'll see who it is. And as you might have guessed it, it is...
Hi guys.
It's JT the Ag Guy.
It is JT the Ag Guy.
And thanks to him, we are going to get our beans harvested now. We're going to you're letting us use, well, we're gonna rent one of your bean heads, and
Yep,
I think it should do a pretty good job.
yeah, hopefully it does do a good job for you guys. I know you've helped me out with that, so
Yeah,
I appreciate all
thank
that.
you. Yeah, no problem. This is gonna really help because the row crop head is kind of a interesting head to work with.
Yeah, good old heads, but they'll
Yeah.
once they're broken, they're kind of broken. That's what I'm gonna fix them.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. See you guys around.
Yep. There she is, right there on the head carrier and on the back of the truck. Let's get going. All right, everyone, we are back. It's a nice day. We spent all day yesterday getting the head all ready, and we had some other stuff to do, and it was also cloudy, and the beans didn't dry out. So the bean head is ready to go. It is on the combine. Another big thank you to JT the Ag Guy for letting us use this header. It's gonna really help us out. So yeah, we're gonna try her out. So we're able to get header height working on it and other stuff because it turns out it had a header height box. So we connected that to our combine. Everything works, and had to do a few hydraulic things for connectors and stuff, but we should be ready to go now. 216 bean head on a John Deere 9400. Let's do this. All right, guys, here he comes. We're working on this last. So this field's 4 triangles divided by an X waterway, and we've got 2 of the triangles done. We're almost done with this triangle, and then it's just the last triangle over there. And then we just got the what's left here on our second field here of beans. But yeah. Alright guys, there's still more to come. There'll be another video at least. I want to give a special shout out to JT the Ag Guy. He's a really good friend of mine. He's who set us up with this bean head of his to use to fill in for our row crop head. I'll put a link to his channel. Go check him out. That's JT the Ag Guy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.